Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken with barbecue sauce in the oven. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 pounds of chicken, 1 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce, and seasonings like salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking dish with aluminum foil for super easy cleanup later. Next, pat your chicken pieces dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a nice, crispy skin. Season them generously on all sides with salt, black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder for extra flavor. Arrange the seasoned chicken in a single layer in your foil-lined baking dish. Place it in the preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. This initial bake helps the chicken cook through before the sauce is applied. After the initial bake, carefully remove the chicken from the oven. Now it's time for the star of the show, your barbecue sauce. Generously brush each piece of chicken with about 1 cup of your chosen sauce, ensuring full coverage. Return the sauced chicken to the oven and continue baking for another 15 minutes. This allows the sauce to caramelize beautifully and the chicken to finish cooking to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your chicken is perfectly cooked and the sauce is bubbly, remove the dish from the oven. It's crucial to let the chicken rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring tender and moist chicken. Garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or cilantro if you like, and then serve your fantastic oven-baked barbecue chicken with your favorite side dishes. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.